Heidi ho, folks. So what we're going to do quick in this little tutorial is how to use the Desmos app on how to graph information. So throughout this, if I ask you guys to ever graph data that we might collect through a different app or through something else, Desmos is a great way to do it. So in order to graph things, I need to obviously have a table of values. So when you click on the link, it should take you to this. These little lines here where it says 1, 2, and we can add things. I can type in equations or formulas or functions to graph. If I click on the little plus tool here, this is one thing we're going to use is I can add in different things. So I want to graph a table of values. What I'm going to do is click on table, and you'll see that a table is added in here. You have the column for X. Think of that again as your inputs, and your column for Y is your output. So as you start to type things in, so let's say I do 0, 0, and I'll have my X's go up by 1 every time. It kind of auto-fills it once it recognizes a pattern. Let's say I'll just type in values for Y. I'll just do even numbers, 6, 8, all the way up to 10 here. You'll notice that on the right side, then it automatically takes those points and graphs. So you can click on the graph anywhere you want, and you can kind of drag it. You can use your scroll button or the zoom in and zoom out buttons over here to zoom in and zoom out to get a general relationship. Okay. So we're going to use that app. Now, as you do this, I might ask you guys to take a screenshot. So hopefully you know how to do that. But if not, you would hit on your Chromebook that Control-Shift multi-screen button. And it might gray out where you guys can then click and drag on the different parts of the graph that you want. Okay, so if I do Control-Shift and that multi-screen button was above 6, then all I would have to do is copy to clipboard and screenshot it in. So again, this is Desmos, a good app that I might have you guys use to graph information just for us to look at general relationships.